Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to discuss a very easy and highly effective swing trading strategy that involves candlestick pattern and support and resistance. So friends, this is a trend following strategy, so we will use it only on trending stock. It can be either uptrend or downtrend. So I'm taking example of uptrend as most of the stocks right now are in uptrend. So if you are very new to stock market, you can use 200 EMA to have an idea about the trend of the market. So before going into the live chart, let me show you the basic of the strategy. Okay, this is the trending stock. This is a stock in trending market. So as you can see, if a stock is uptrend, the stock will keep on moving upward, and at some point it will face resistance and it will come down, and this is what we call as retracement. Once it retraces a little bit, it continues its upward momentum and it breaks the previous resistance. Once this resistance is broken, most of the time, if not always, most of the time, the stock comes back and try to take support on the previous resistance level. And if the stock takes support in the previous resistance level, we look for a few of the very important candlestick pattern. My own favorites are Morningstar, bullish engulfing, piercing pattern. There are many more, but these three are very highly effective and these are my personal favorite. That's why I am discussing it with you. If you don't have any idea about what is Morningstar, bullish engulfing and piercing pattern, I have already drawn it for you. Let me show for a few seconds for you. So this is the Morningstar. If the market is coming down, a red candle is formed, then suddenly at support level there will be a formation of doji candle. Okay, doji candle means indecisive or indecision in the market. After the doji is formed, there will be a big bullish candle. So this means that the market is gonna reverse from here. There is a not 100% surety, but there is a high probability that the market is gonna reverse from this support area. Okay, then we have bullish engulfing. The market is coming down at support level. What happens? Market is making red candles. Finally market makes a big bullish candle. The bullish candle is so big that it completely covers the previous red candle. As you can see, the previous red candle's body is completely covered by the body of this bullish candle. This is known as bullish engulfing. Okay, similar with bullish engulfing pattern, we have piercing pattern. Okay, the only difference is that bullish engulfing pattern completely covers the previous candle, but the piercing pattern doesn't need to completely cover the previous red candle. It covers more than 50% of the previous candle. So there are many other candlestick pattern, but these three are very useful as far as my experience. Okay, let us go to the real chart to see the Morningstar bullish engulfing and piercing pattern. Okay, so this is the chart of DLF. I am not considering a very past behavior of the market. I am taking example of the very recent behavior of the stocks. Okay, so this is the chart of DLF. I have taken example of 2 hour. So there might be some concern for the beginners as what should be the time frame. Okay, I think the minimum time frame for this candlestick pattern should be 30 minutes. Okay, I generally love to take 1 hour or 2 hour, but the minimum that should be used is 30 minutes. You should not go below 30 minutes, but the higher the time frame, the better it is. Okay, I generally use it in 1 hour, 2 hour, or sometimes 1 day also. Okay, so this DLF pattern is considered in 2 hour time frame. As you can see, DLF was in uptrend. It took resistance here. Once it took resistance, it was under that resistance area, and finally after few days it broke the resistance and come back to retrace this level. Okay, as I said, once the resistance is broken, market tends to come back to take support at the previous resistance level. So this is the previous resistance level, and you can see while it came back to the previous resistance level, it made a Morningstar red candle, doji, and a good bullish candle. The market also made a Morningstar here also, but this Morningstar was not very favorable. The green candle was not very bullish, so I ignored this morning star, but this morning star was very effective. As you can see from here, market gave a very bullish momentum. Okay, again market took resistance here. Once this resistance was broken, market again came back, and look at the previous resistance level, market took support on the resistance level, which is now acts as a support and made a bullish candle, bullish engulfing pattern. This the bullish green candle completely covers this red candle. This is known as bullish engulfing pattern. This is this is bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, let me see. Right now again, this was the previous resistance that DLF made. Once this resistance was broken, market again came back and made a bullish engulfing pattern here. This bullish candle completely covers this red candle, but I did not take trade here considering the market condition, as a budget day is coming, so we should not rely upon any technical or fundamental analysis very much on such time. Okay, because when the big news is coming in the market, so we should not rely upon candlestick or technical analysis or any fundamental analysis. Okay, market can move any direction depending on the news. Then this is the example of Havel. Recently Havel made the bullish engulfing that this was, so as you can see, Havels is in a down upward direction. Havels made a resistance here, come back, then it broke the resistance and came back to retrace the resistance as support, and look what it did. It made a beautiful bullish engulfing pattern. After making this bullish engulfing pattern, look how beautifully Havels gave a bullish momentum. Okay, right now also Havels is in a very good position. This is the previous resistance, it broke the resistance, it came back. This is the red candle, this is a kind of doji. If Havels can make a big bullish candle here, green candle, that means it will form a morning star. So if it can form a morning star here, then we can surely go bullish or go long on Havels on Monday. So we have to see the first half an hour, first 2 hours, how the market or how Havels behaves. So we can use this candlestick pattern on index also. This is the Nifty chart. Oh sorry, this is the Nifty chart. As you can see, Nifty is in uptrend. Nifty made then resistance here, come back, it broke the resistance, and again look, it came back at the resistance level and made a bullish engulfing. These two candle made an bullish engulfing, and the next 3 candle made an morning star. So how strong it is. On the support level, it made both bullish engulfing and morning star. So it was a very high probable trade on this level. Okay, look, from there Nifty rallied so much. Then again Nifty took resistance here. Once the resistance was broken, it came back and made a piercing pattern. This green candle could not completely cover this red candle, but it could cover most of the red candle. That's why it's known as piercing candle. So it's piercing candle. Then again it moved. Then again Nifty took resistance here. This resistance was broken. Once this resistance was broken, Nifty again came back to take support at that resistance level. Look, these 3 candle form a beautiful morning star. Once this morning star was formed, it rallied so big. So friends, this is how we should use candlestick pattern with support and resistance. We should not use morning star, bullish engulfing, or any other candlestick pattern at any stage. We should look to use those at support level or resistance level. Okay, if I get good response in this video, I will upload a new video where I will discuss about more candlestick pattern. Okay, thank you friends.